In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a USA Renter's Insurance PDF. If you need a copy of your renter's insurance document for your records, for a landlord, or for proof of coverage, the process is usually very simple. You can do this either on the USA website or through the USA mobile app, depending on which one is more convenient for you. To begin, go to USA and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account that holds your renter's insurance policy. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard where you can access your different products and services. From there, look for the insurance section and select it. After that, choose your renter's insurance policy from the list of available policies. Once you open the policy, go into the policy details area. This is where USAA typically stores the main information related to your coverage, documents, and proof of insurance. Next, look for document-related options. Depending on how your account is displayed, you may see labels such as policy documents, declarations page, proof of insurance, download PDF, or view PDF. These names can vary slightly, but they all point to the same goal: accessing the official document for your renter's insurance. Choose the specific file you need. For example, if someone is asking for formal proof of your policy, the declarations page or proof of insurance document is often the one they want. Once you open the document, download it as a PDF. If the file opens in your browser first, you can usually use the download icon to save it directly to your device. After the PDF has been downloaded, save it somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop, downloads folder, or phone files. If needed, you can also print a physical copy. This can be helpful if your apartment office asks for paperwork in person. You can also send the PDF electronically to your landlord or property manager if they need confirmation that you have active renter's insurance. If you sign in and can't find the document online, don't worry. The final step is to contact USAA customer support and request a copy. They can help provide your proof of insurance or other policy documents, and depending on availability, they may be able to send it by email, regular mail, or fax. And that's it. Once you know where to find your insurance section and policy documents, getting your USA Renter's Insurance PDF is quick and straightforward.